So welcome again to our biology revision. We are going to revise essay. So the first essay we're going to revise is the adaptation of insect pollinated flowers. How are insect pollinated flowers adapted to their function? So when you ask such an essay in exam, there is an objective of the question. So essays on adaptations has three features or three objectives. Number one, you have to say the structure. Number two, the feature. And number three, the function. So the examiner wants to see the structure, the feature, and the function. So you have to indicate them. They must be clear. So let's start one by one. So the structure of a flower is sepals or petals. So for insect pollinated flowers, the petals are large. So each feature is a mark. Now the importance of arranging them in terms of feature and function is that every feature is one mark. So even if you don't write the function but write the features, you'll get one mark each for every feature you write. So you find that you'll get more marks than if you write it in paragraph form. So arrange them in terms of feature and function. So the first structure is petals. So in insect-pollinated flowers, the petals are large to attract insect. Then the petals again are colored, also to attract a insect. And then the petals again are conspicuous. They can be seen to attract insect. So you have only talked about one feature, one structure, and it has three features. So it means you get 3 marks there for features and 3 marks for function. So one structure, you have 6 marks. This is the simplest way to do essays on adaptation. Next, you go to the stigma. For insect pollinated flower, the stigma is small, sticky, and occur inside the flower. So why is it small? For pollen grain from body of insect to stick onto the stigma. So the same thing. Why is it sticky? For pollen grain to stick on the stigma. Why does it occur inside the flower? For pollen grain to stick on the stigma. Then the anthers. Anthers are small. There is a tick. To ensure insect rub against them and collect the pollen grain. There is a tick without breaking. So the anthers are also firmly attached to ensure the insect rub against them and collect pollen grain without breaking. The next adaptation, the next structure you want to look is pollen grain. For insect pollinated flower, pollen grain has 4 features or 4 characteristics. Number 1, the pollen grain is large. Number 2, the pollen grain is heavy. The pollen grain is rough. The pollen grain is sticky. So you get each mark for each point. Why? Why is it large? To stick onto the insect body. Why is the pollen grain heavy? To stick onto the insect body. Why is it rough? To stick onto the insect body. Why is it sticky? To stick onto the insect body. And then you go to nectar. The nectar is secretory. Secrete nectar. So the feature is that it's secretory. And then it is glandular. So why is it secretory and why is it glandular? To produce sweet scented nectar to attract the insect. Also to produce sweet scented nectar to attract the insect. Then the style. The style is short and firm to withstand weight of an insect so that it doesn't break. Then we go to nectar guides. Nectar guide is conspicuous. Conspicuous can be seen to guide insect to the nectar. So this is the simplest way to write essay in exam and to get almost very many marks. So for example, the feature alone in this case will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you have 16 marks for the features. And how many marks for the function? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. So this essay has almost uh, 30 marking points. So this is the simplest way to do adaptation essay. So thank you. Keep on following, keep on subscribing, keep on sharing. See you in the next uh, essay. Thank you so much.